Hey there! Ever been trapped in the endless cycle of staring at a blank page, not knowing where to begin? Your prayers are answered. If you have to produce material like there's no tomorrow, you are aware of the work. Those nightmares with blank pages are also horrifying. But now, I have something to fend off those monsters lurking on blank pages. Let me introduce the Wordplay Lifetime Deal. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just someone trying to create that perfect landing page for your startup, Wordplay is the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the heart of Wordplay. What is Wordplay? Imagine this, an AI friend who produces 2,000 plus word drafts. Get ready for this in 15 seconds. Yes, writing has suddenly become faster than Flash. Tired of short and non-SEO friendly outputs from other AI tools? Well, the founder Curran felt the same. And thus, Wordplay was born, the fastest way to create quality, long-form content. And when we say quality, we're talking about drafts that are about 95% ready to go. Google will definitely have some serious crush on your content because Wordplay knows what Google wants. And oh, the integration with WordPress? Seamless! Exclusive lifetime deal alert. While its official price tag reads $497, hold your jaw because it drops to $99 on our special deal only for AppSumo. Yup, a one-time payment, and this AI genius is yours for life. Now peek into the offers. Plan 1. One-time purchase, $99, originally $497. Long-form AI writer. Generate 2,000 plus words from one keyword. Maximum of 7,500 words per month. Plan 2. One-time purchase, $198, originally $994. Same great features, but now up to 15,000 words per month. Import your AI content directly into WordPress with our Wordplay plugin. Plan 3. One-time investment, $297, down from $1,491. You can now churn out up to 22,500 words monthly. Long-form AI writer. Also, there's a juicy 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months. It's a no-risker. 5 features that make Wordplay famous. Okay, I know you're on the edge of your seat. So let's talk about sizzling features. Bulk creation. Time is money. Create content in bulk and save both. Optimization. Minimal post AI editing needed. You heard it right. Integration power. From Chrome to Google to WordPress, Wordplay plays well with all. Quality assurance. Focuses on accuracy, on topic, and usefulness, the Google Trifecta. Super speed. Create, publish. Boom, all in 15 seconds. Who benefits from Wordplay? Wondering if Wordplay is right for you? Here are the MVPs. Bloggers. Daily posts? Done in seconds. Marketing agencies. Manage multiple clients effortlessly. Small businesses. Perfect landing pages every time. SEO enthusiasts. Stay on top of your game. And remember, Wordplay isn't just another tool, it's a revolution. Curran created it because he saw a gap, and now we have this masterpiece. AppSumo bonus alert, take 10% more off. Got Wordplay on your radar with that juicy lifetime deal from AppSumo? Hold on to your keyboards because I'm about to turn up the heat. Exclusive 10% off incoming. I kid you not. In addition to that irresistible $99 deal, there's a golden opportunity to bag an extra 10% off. Hey, number crunchers, that's like a discount on a discount. Let's get that deal. Secure an additional 10% off Wordplay Lifetime Deal. Go to AppSumo's Wordplay Lifetime Deal page. Be on the lookout for a sneaky pop-up deal. Enter your go-to email address. Make sure to stick with that same email. Voila, check your inbox for the 10% off golden ticket. Don't sleep on this. Dive right in and watch those dollars drop. Honest reviews alert. Need some honest reviews? Take a look here. Still thinking about it? Put some sugar in the saucepan. Visit our link to see wordplay in action in under 2 minutes. If you've reached this far and love what you're hearing, smash that like button and spread the word play. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more dazzling deals and reviews. Catch you in the next one!